Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today I am going to have a first impression of a BB cream because when I searched on YouTube I have not got any review on this particular product. So if you want to know my first impressions on this particular product, it is from Bellora Paris. It is their BB Natural Anti-Pollution Cream with SPF 30. Then please do continue watching. As I told you in the intro, today we are going to have the first impression of this particular BB cream. It is from the brand Bellora Paris. This BB cream particularly is formulated in Paris, and what they say, they claim is protect against blue light, UV and pollution, smooth matte finish, enriched with vitamin B, C and E. That is what the main key features of this particular product is. Now we will first talk about the outer packaging. The outer packaging is this kind of rose gold, dark rose gold packaging. On the front it says Bellora Paris BB Natural Anti-Pollution Cream with SPF 30 made safe. That is what on the front side. On the back side they have given you all the ingredients. Natural, hydrating, lightweight BB cream formulated in Paris. They have given their contact number, like the email address and everything. This is for 30 ml and the MRP of this particular product is 599 rupees and shelf life is for 3 years. So you can use this product easily for 3 years. When I went ahead to buy it from their own website, it was continuous out of stock, so I had to go ahead and buy it from different e-commerce websites. So I got it from Smitten, right? And I'll just tell you the shade names and what all claims it makes. Then we'll move over towards the swatches and all. They have total 3 shades. First is Ivory Love, second one is Mild Dew, and the third one is Honey. The shade which I got and applied on my face is this shade. It is Honey, shade number 03. Okay, right now when I'm checking their own website, this is their own website. They have, if you buy one quantity you get 10% off, if you buy 2 you get 15%, and if you buy 3 plus then you get 20% off, right? Now what all claims they have: a natural BB cream for a radiant smooth matte coverage, extracts of hyaluronic and mulberry extract provide deep moisturization, let your skin breathe due to its non-comedogenic formula with blue shade technology to protect against all external exposures such as blue light, IR, UVA, UVB and pollution. IR is infrared, UVA and UVB you know, ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, right? Pollution. It is good to know natural oils, vitamin B and C, blue shield technology, hyaluronic and mulberry daisy flower, made safe, certified, dermatologically tested, vegan, non-toxic and cruelty free. That is what this particular BB cream claims, right? Now you will say ki even we could have read it from the description, but I made it easy for you just after, like I just read it for you. This BB cream is little bit thicker in consistency. Right now in the later part of the video you will see the consistency also, like it is little bit thicker in consistency as well as it is having fragrance. But after applying on your face, within you can say 15 to 30 seconds the fragrance goes off. Now this is the swatch of the BB cream. Can you see? And this is the inner packaging. This is the inner packaging of the BB cream. Okay, it is kind of a dark purple tube with a rose gold cap. Whatever is written over here, same is written over here. Manufacturing and expiry is also given on the cream. So if you want to throw away, you can easily, you can just keep this and you can save this for your use and all, and you are good to go. Now what we will do, we will just move towards the demo. Yes, now we'll start with the demo. I just have applied the primer, that Lakme one, the primer, and now you will say why you are applying the same primer, as I want to finish it off first and then I want to start with other primers. So that is why the Lakme primer, Blur Perfect primer, and normal lipstick. I'll tell you the lipstick details while I've completed my, after completing my makeup and all, I'll tell you the lipstick details also, as well as I've just filled up my eyebrow. This is the BB cream. This is for me also, it's going to be the first impression. It is sealed, y'all can see it is sealed. I'll just open it and we'll just have a demo. Now generally what I do with the BB creams, I apply with my hands only, but first let me give you a swatch here. I'm not sure what kind of a color or texture is going to have. This this is the texture. Now what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit and I'll apply it in dot forms on my face. I think the shade will match me, but it is pretty thick consistency and it is having fragrance. Yes, it is heavily fragranted. So if you are someone who is allergic to fragrance, please stay away. Now I'm started blending. It doesn't have any coverage. Nothing. No coverage. Of course, in BB cream, we should not expect any kind of coverage, but this is the darkest shade. If I have not told you, this is the shade number 3. They have only 3 shades. Yes. Now the BB cream is applied. This is what you can see is the coverage of this BB cream. It's very sheer coverage BB cream, but what I'll do is we'll just roll with this only. I'll just go off the camera, I'll just finish it off my full face of makeup and I'll come back with my thoughts. Yes, now you all have already seen the demo part of the BB cream. In that demo itself, I told you the BB cream is little bit thicker consistency. Now there are few cons which I wanted to share with you, but before that I would like to address my lipstick, that is which lipstick I am having, because lot of time I do get questions and then I forget which lipsticks it was there. So this is from Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. It is in the shade Plum Feather. I'll just show you direct the inner packaging. You all must have seen. This is the lipstick and this is the shade Plum Feather. This is what I'm having on my lips. Now I'll just tell you few of the drawbacks. First drawback, it comes only in 3 shades. As I gave you the name earlier, comes in only 3 shades. The shade which I got is the darkest shade, and even that is little bit lighter for my liking. But then BB cream, it's okay, we can manage because BB cream doesn't have heavy coverage. Same applies with this also. This is with lighter coverage, very light coverage. You can see. Right now also over here you all can see I have few of the freckles and everything on my face. It is easily clearly visible on my mirror. I can easily see on my mirror. So it is of course BB cream, so we cannot argue on that part of coverage and all, but definitely it is a sheer coverage, not even light. I will say it is a sheer to light coverage, right? The third drawback is it is having fragrance. Yes, this is having fragrance. Of course, as I told you earlier, after application the fragrance goes off within 15-20 seconds, but yes, initially while application it is fragranted. The fourth thing is the cost. 599 is the MRP, but during like they have sale and everything, but definitely if we consider the price factor 599 with the 30 grams, then within that particular amount like 599 you do get better coverage foundations. If you go in the market, if you want, I'll name few of them in the description box, not in the, it will be pinned in the comment section. You can check it out. Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. The MRP of that foundation is I guess 499, but during sale times it goes to 299. So 299 30 ml, that is a foundation. Of course that is a matte foundation. This is little bit hydrating, but then after applying a proper hydrating primer and all, you can manage with that foundation also. Second, the fifth drawback is consistency. As I told you, it is thicker consistency. Now I'll show you the most important drawback. That is what I felt. Just see, I had applied over here the BB cream. Now I'll show you. This is my finger. I don't have even a water. Not a water. I don't have even water on my finger. My finger is total dry. Now, can you see? Can you see? Can you see over here? I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. Check here. Can you see? It is peeling off. On my hand, it is peeling off. You can see here easily. But after applying here, let me see whether I can peel it here. No. little bit is peeling, but yeah, it is peeling. Little bit I can peel. I'm not sure, but over here it is. But yes, I had applied primer. Over here the primer was not there. So I think, this is what I think. If I'm not wrong, definitely you can do your trial and error part. I had applied primer and then I had applied the BB cream. So not sure, like it is without primer over here, that is why it is peeling off. I am not sure of that. So even you can check out that part. But over here on my hands it is peeling up. See, right now nothing is there. The BB cream is already gone. I have not applied any water, not applied any kind of remover, nothing. But still it is not there. So that one point you have to keep in mind. Like you can try once, because for me also this is a first impression. So I have not applied, because by mistake I had applied the primer on the full face. So I cannot tell you about that, like without primer it is peeling off or no. But on my hand it is peeling off. So basically I just wanted to tell you the three, these are few of the things. And let me tell you very clearly, this video is not at all sponsored. I got this product by my own money, and that is why besides lipstick, their primer, they have one primer or something. If you have seen lot of videos, they have got the products in PR. Bellora Cosmetics have sent them. But if I had to select the product for you, on which I can give you my frank opinion, for that I got this BB cream, because I never wanted to get the same products what they have got. And to my surprise, I had not seen a single, I'm not sure, but not a single review on this particular product. And that is why I got this product for you all. That 599 rupees to spend on a BB cream, is it worth? That is up to you. For me, no, definitely don't waste your money on this particular product, because 599 is too expensive. That too you are getting 30 ml, and that same price you can go for quite good range of foundation. I can just give you one or two names, as I told you first earlier. Second one, 599 rupees. You on the sale, during the sale time, even Nykaa foundations go on sale, and you can get it on 599 rupees. So that is the foundation. This is a BB cream. And if you say you want to go for some daily day-to-day wear BB creams and all, then definitely I will tell you, then you don't have to spend 599. You get Pond's BB cream, you get Garnier, you do get lot of other BB creams which is made in India. That is Indian brands. So why not that brands? Why to spend money on this? So my opinion, my first impression and frank opinion, no, don't go for this. Yeah, if anything is like left or something, or if you want to ask me anything related to this product, you can definitely leave a comment in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll give you my Instagram handle also. Just DM me over there. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. And if you have any other video suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, please don't go without liking the video. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. As I always say, your one like encourages me to make more such kind of 100 videos. See, you calculate. If you will give me one like, I'll make such more 100 videos. So keep on calculating. Always go after liking the video. I forget what to say. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.